Chapter 2 of The Hobbit commences with Bilbo Baggins waking up after his unexpected party, where a group of dwarves announce their plan to embark on a daring adventure. Bilbo is initially relieved to find his house empty. The dwarves have all departed. However, Gandalf the wizard makes an appearance, holding a note left by Thorin Oakenshield, the leader of the dwarves. The note mentions Bilbo's inclusion in their mission as a burglar, with the offer of 1/14th share of the profits. With some persuading from Gandalf, a flustered and unprepared Bilbo rushes to join the dwarves, neglecting to bring his handkerchief or other essentials. The journey kicks off with a pleasant ride through the Hobbit lands, but as they proceed further into the isolated Lone Lands, the circumstances turn bleak. Continuous rainfall, lack of food, and Gandalf's sudden disappearance add to the hobbits' discomfort. One night, they lose a pony loaded with provisions, and out of hunger and desperation, they notice a distant light in the forest. Given his role as a burglar, Bilbo is sent forward to investigate. To his horror, he finds 3 huge, grotesque trolls named Bert, Tom, and William barbarously roasting mutton and expressing their desire to eat men, for a change. In an attempt to fulfill his role, Bilbo is caught red-handed while trying to pickpocket William, leading to a quarrel among the trolls. In the midst of this, Balin, one of the dwarves, comes looking for Bilbo, but is captured by the trolls and put in a sack. One by one, the rest of the dwarves meet the same fate, and Bilbo remains hidden, unable to help. Just as things seem hopelessly grim, Gandalf reappears. He uses cunning and quick thinking to trick the trolls into arguing amongst themselves until dawn. As the first light of the sun hits them, the trolls, who are nocturnal creatures, immediately turn into stone. Gandalf and Bilbo free the dwarves from the sacks, and together they discover the trolls' secret stash, filled with food, clothing, valuable gold coins, and fine weapons. They also find 3 elvish swords of great quality, which Gandalf, Thorin, and Bilbo take for themselves. The group decides to camp nearby for the night, and in the morning, they load up their ponies with the valuable supplies found in the trolls' hoard. Before continuing their journey east, they bury the gold coins in a secret location for safekeeping. Gandalf reveals that he had heard about the lurking dangers of trolls from the elves of Rivendell while scouting ahead, which is why he returned in the nick of time. The chapter concludes with Gandalf's cautionary advice to Thorin to be more careful in the future, emphasizing that their quest will not be easy.